Okay, ready, start. Hi, Mickey Mouse.
Hi, Minga Mouse.
How are you?
I'm good.
What are you doing today?
I don't know. I'm 4.
You're 4 years old?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What's your name?
I'm Mickey Mouse boy.
Mickey Mouse boy.
Yeah.
Have you eaten today?
Yeah. I eat with cake and bacon.
Ooh, is that good?
Hands up.
Hey,
What?
you have to hide.
Huh?
Show Mickey Mouse. You have to hide. You hide under. Don't show your head. Where's Mickey Mouse? Hi, Mickey Mouse.
Hey.
Did you go to work?
Yeah.
You came back already?
What?
Mickey Mouse, where are you? Hi. Let me see your pants, Mickey Mouse.
Okay.
What color your pants?
Red.
What color your shoes?
Little.
What color your gloves?
White.
Oh, very good.
Hey, look, I did it.
Are you a big boy, Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Did you go pee pee in the toilet?
Yeah.
Yay.
I did.
Oh, Adam did? Did Mickey Mouse go pee pee in the toilet too?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I did it.
Okay, so are you Mickey Mouse or you Adam?
I know them.
Oh, can I talk to Mickey Mouse?
Uh-huh.
Where's Mickey Mouse?
We're going?
Oh, hi Mickey Mouse.
Hey.
Are you going to work again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
We gotta go say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Mickey Mouse.
Bye.
See you soon.
See you soon.
I love you.
Did you get that?
I'm back
Oh,
again.
You're back.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a quick work.
Yeah.
You gotta go back to work again.
Okay. I'm back again.
You're back for lunch already?
Yeah.
Ah, mommy haven't cooked yet.
Okay. Where did Mickey Mouse go?
Make Mickey Mouse go. Hi, Mickey Mouse.
Hi.
Okay, Mickey Mouse, we out of here.
Huh?
Bye, Mickey Mouse.
Bye.
Mommy gotta go work.
Huh?
Mommy gotta go work.
For you?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I go too.
Okay, I love you.
See you.
Bye, Mickey Mouse.
Bye, Mickey